G'day guys, Robert from Outback Equipment. Today we've got a very exciting announcement to make. We've got the brand new Watersnake Stealth series, fresh new to the market guys. We're actually probably one of the very first ones to have a hold of this particular motor. We want to do it justice by giving you the rundown of all the key features and benefits of an electric outboard motor, what this Stealth has to offer. We're going to be out in the water today guys, so let's get out there. So cool guys, we're on the water now, running through the Stealth Watersnake motor. There is two in this particular model, both being a 65 pound. This one's our 54-inch shaft, the other model being a 48-inch. This is obviously in that charcoal sort of darker grey. You may typically know obviously Watersnake just prone to be that colour white, so they're adding a little bit of versatile, a bit of variety and obviously colour. It does work really well with obviously your darker painted hulls being our wrap. Even your upholstery and that sort of stuff is really cool too. With this particular motor, it is a manual drop, so just your typical foot press that's on the back of the motor. With this particular motor too, we do have a really nice hand remote, just the basic functions of obviously left, right, your throttle, up and down, and obviously power. We're noticing too, this is a really nice wide sort of remote, not being too big, but it does sit really nice in your palm of your hand. You've got your laying guard too, so you've got the options of wearing it around your neck or having it in your pocket during the day. If you're not wanting particularly wear your remote around your neck all day, you do have the option of adding a separate foot control with the two cords being at the front of the motor, just being that basic connect, plug and play. Another key benefit with the Stealth motor guys is its reduced size and head, keeping that nice sleek sort of style finish, also having a lot less weight at the top of the neck, so it's going to be bouncing a lot less. So straight into deploying the electric motor guys, we're just bringing the lock pin at the top of the neck. Again with your foot control pedal, clicking that down and sending it straight over. With our hand remote now, we've got full control, have a touch of button left and right. So what's really working well with this particular motor, again, just having the comfort of this nice hand electric remote. We're able to get into the sticks nice and tight. We've got full control, obviously, right at the touch of our hands. This is going to allow the angler to get right in nice and tight, obviously, in amongst the sticks or structure. So guys, just before we were mentioning those ports for your foot control, obviously out of the motor, these are these ones here. Up on the motor itself, we've got 4 series of green lights. That's basically the level of your battery wearing condition where it's at. Your blue light above is when your remote's connected to the actual and paired to the motor. So worth doing that when pairing the remote straight out of the box, obviously pressing your pairing button, turning the power on your remote as well, holding that on, and that'll pair up. As another fail-safe, we've got the on and off power button there too, so when you're connecting up your Anderson plug and turning on your battery, you also got another point of power there at the motor too. So stowing away this particular motor guys, we're just putting your foot on your pedal there, pulling it in, and with that particular crate at the front there, you're just pulling it in until it locks. Another little great feature obviously with this particular bracket here, and for towing too guys, we're just sliding this one all the way down to the neck and screwing that nice and tight. That'll lock away the motor and that'll secure it there when towing. So guys, that's the rundown of the brand new Stealth Watersnake bow mounts. Hopefully that's given you a great insight to obviously your questions in the future. Release date for this brand new motor, probably the time this video drops will be hopefully in a few weeks time. Price point, you can head to outbackequipment.com.au to check it out there. If you've got any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments down below guys. If you've liked the video, give it a big thumbs up and we'll catch you in the next one.